Oil prices rebounded early in the session after a sharp decline yesterday. On Wednesday, oil lost almost 4% amid rising concerns over escalation of the conflict between the US and Iran. So far, oil supply and export in the Middle East have not been affected. Brent crude opened today's session with small gains, trading at $65.52 per barrel. Brent quotes returned to the mid-December levels following yesterday's sharpest decline in the past month and a half. WTI rose to $60.13 per barrel on Thursday. During the previous session, WTI has lost almost 5%. Yesterday, oil prices slumped on comments made by the US president. Donald Trump said that the US would hit Iran with heavier sanctions instead of giving counterattack. This news brought optimism to the markets. Trump also added that it was Tehran who took first steps towards de-escalation of the conflict. The demand for safe haven assets is falling early in the day, while the risk appetite is increasing. Traders hope that tensions in the Middle East will ease soon and the conflict between the US and Iran will be resolved peacefully. The ruble is holding firmly high despite the complicated external background. Today, the Russian currency rose marginally against the US dollar. The dollar-ruble pair lost 0.05% in the beginning of the session and settled near 61.16. On Wednesday, the ruble edged higher, moving the pair to 61.07, which is the highest level since May 22, 2018. Analysts predict that the ruble is very likely to test the important level of 60 very soon. The last time when the dollar-ruble pair hit this mark was in 2018, when the United States imposed sanctions against a Russian aluminium company, Rusal. Despite negative forecasts, the ruble has considerably strengthened against the US dollar last year. In the coming year, the same factors may continue to support the Russian currency. No additional sanctions against Russia and rising risk appetite in the global markets will serve as the main drivers for the ruble. The dollar-ruble pair is expected to trade within the range of 62-65 in the first quarter of the year. That is all for now. Thank you for watching and have a nice trading day. Bye.